What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at garage storage. Some ideas that can help you organize your garage, get rid of the clutter, and if you're anything like me, you found yourself in a situation where you had a lot of stuff in your garage and it just didn't sit well with you. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at this. All right, so what I've done is I've installed this roof rack. By the way, these links to these products that I ordered on Amazon will be in the description below, okay? So this roof rack right here, it's actually pretty big. I mean, you could see, I wanna say that's about 5 feet wide, probably about, 6 feet long. It really works. I got these storage bins also. I like those storage bins because they're pretty weatherproof. If I want to put them inside, outside, they work really good. But this roof rack, it does take 2 people to install it. It's really strong. You can see it doesn't really shake or anything. I mean, there's a little bit of play, but you can just tighten that up if you need to. So I do recommend this roof rack. I'm 6'2", and I still have about, a foot clearance here. So it holds up to 400 and some odd pounds, like just under 500 pounds. Okay, so this storage shelf right here, actually, it is a mess. I mean, I admit I could clean this up before I make this video, but anyway, this is just average, everyday storage. I did put this together by myself. It was a one-man job. It took me about an hour and a half. It was pretty easy to put together, but it's got pretty strong capacity. I mean, this is not some sort of cheap, flimsy storage. It really works good, and I do recommend it also, and I'm not just saying that. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Okay, so when it came to storage in shelves and whatnot, this Husky brand, I went with all the same brand because, yeah, why not? So Husky, you could see, of all of these, I mean, I like them all. You can see, I mean, everything's good. This probably stores the most stuff, the one with the 4 shelves. This one right here, it doesn't really store too much, honestly. I keep my power tools in here. Yeah. Now, when it comes to storing, bolts and screws and stuff, I got this, storage shelving thing. It was kind of heavy, so I had to build a little bit of stronger shelving. Yeah, that happens. And then I also put this here tack board. This tack board's pretty good. I think you can even expand onto it if you want to. So it's pretty good, it stores things. Let me just show you inside this Husky here. You can see what's in here. This is a pretty good place to store things like paint and other buckets and whatnot. All right, so when it comes to what I consider to be the biggest eyesore in my whole garage, it's the, the brooms and the mops and everything. I did store that here. If anything, I should probably move this unit to the sidewall. I don't really like how it looks, because I think my garage, it's kind of set up in a way that's pretty good. It's just, this is a bit of an eyesore, and so is these ladders. I've got these hooks right here, but I mean, I could move them outside, out of my garage if I really wanted to. But these hooks for ladders are great, and so is that hook. Look how much weight it can handle. I do store extra freezer stuff in here. The reason I do that is because my freezer can get full with bulky items, boxes, or big steaks and stuff, and I like to have them on hand if I'm gonna entertain people, or if I have 5 people show up unexpectedly and we need to grab some steaks or something. That's why I have this Medea deep freezer. It's pretty good. It's not too big, but it's big enough. You get the idea. Now, this plastic right here is kind of interesting. I don't know how I feel about this plastic shelving. If there was any product that's kind of iffy to me, it's this plastic shelving, but I've had it for over a year and it works. I mean, you can see this jack, it's pretty heavy, but it stores it. Like I said, it's kind of flimsy, it's cheap. Maybe I'll upgrade at some point, but it works for a short-term solution. And then when it comes to storing footballs, basketballs, whatnot, I have this right here, and I have my first aid kit. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how I did the organization here in my garage. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this area right now, so I'm just using a cheap Walmart table. That right there is for a bike. I could store a bike here. I'll put a link to that just in case you're wondering where that wall mount is. Yeah, see you guys on the next video. And thanks for subscribing to this channel and liking these videos. Drop a comment below if you think I forgot something.